So what's up people, we are in Shree Antu. So that's sunrise as you can see. Right there, Dada. That's sunrise. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So what's up people, namaste, good morning from Nepal, Dharan, Ilam. So this is my city, but I'm traveling to Ilam today. So it's a new vlog, and yeah, we're going to Ilam. This is our ride. So we'll be leaving in about 10-15 minutes. It's 4:30 a.m. Let's go, Dharan to Ilam. I'm in Ilam. I'll show you. This is my hotel room and this is the view. So I'm gonna chill for a bit, have a milk tea, Nepalese tea, and then we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna explore the city around, and then I'm just here for like a couple of days, for like 2 or 3 days, and then I'm going back. If I have to do some work here, if that gets done like in 1 day, I'm gonna be back to Dharan because you know it's my brother's wedding. Anyways, now we're gonna have some tea, chill, just enjoy the view, and that's it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Me too.
Me too.
So this is aloo chop. This is one of the Nepalese snacks you can find, and it's potatoes. Yummy. This is aloo nimki. It's the festival of colors. It's Holi as well. Right? So okay people, so this is our lunch in Ilam. So what we're having is, we're having sukuti, and then we'll see, and chocho sadi, right? And we're having sukuti and chocho sadi. And after this, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Chiabari.
Thank you. This is noodles. In Japanese it's called chocho sadego. So this is just like dry noodles mixed with like carrots, kala chana, and stuff. Yeah, it's nice, but it's a bit salty. We got Pepsi, and we got this creature. Hello. It's very salty though, very salty. And this is buffalo jerky, fried with onions, garlic, and we got carrots. Let's try this. Pick you up.
Me too.
It's okay. It's okay. So what is up people, it's day 2 from Ilam, and today I'll be most probably ending this vlog, and then we're going to a different place. It's a place called Antu. We're gonna do some paperwork, and then we're heading to Antu in a midday. So anyways, it's early morning. We have so right now we're going to have lunch, and then we both are So right now we're in Fikal. So we are going to Antu now, Shree Antu. So we're gonna catch a private hire car and then we'll go to Antu, and I'll see you in Antu. Very tired, but yeah, let's go. Take another 20 minutes, isn't it? It's going to take another 20 minutes and then we're going to be on the cottage. So 35 minutes. So okay guys, we are in Shree Antu. So this is our cottage for tonight. Come, I'll show you. So we have hot shower, attached bathroom, and we have our bed here, sofa as well, and we have our balcony. So this is our cottage. I'm gonna show you aerial view in a bit. So yeah, we have tea garden. This is Shree Antu. This is what I was talking about. Oh, that pub. We couldn't find anything good, but it was a very good place to chill out. It's a bit off season, but yeah, enjoy the view. So that's that drone shot. Now I'm just strolling around. There's a lake over there. There's a lake over there. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might put two different vlog, or I might do it in one. Maybe I'm gonna do it in one because I don't have a lot of footage. So yeah, this is Shree Antu. I always wanted to come here. Whatever view they had, I don't know. Like no, but it's amazing. You guys should come here. It's very cheap. Per night is less than $20 per night. Less than $20. It's very cheap, and like this side is almost untouched. I can see only like Nepalese tourists around this area. So if you want to visit Nepal, like eastern side is very good. You need to come to like Ilam, Shree Antu, and there's lots of place. If I have time, I'll explore. Anyways, follow me. Let's go. So we are back in our resort, in our cottage. So we ordered some food. So what we ordered was like local pukra chicken khana. So that is local chicken. So that's very nice. And we're gonna have some sukuti fry as well. Sukuti is buff jerky fried. It's nice. So yeah, we're just waiting for food. Okay. Hello, Antu.
Hello.
You like rice, huh? What?
Otti.
Okay, so we're gonna eat some food. Oni betum lah. So okay people, so we're having, this is chicken khana, this is local chicken soup, we have like rice, that's fermented spinach, potatoes and different stuff, and we have, this is buffalo jerky fried. Let's go, bon appetito. Let's go. Let's get this. Nice. So this one, we're gonna do like this. With your hands. Little spinach. Nice. So what is up people? It's bloody 5 in the morning. So we're going to see sunrise. I heard that this is the first place of Nepal where sun rises and the view is epic. So we're hiking a bit and then I think we're going to take a private van. So we're going to see our sunrise. Let's go. So what is up people, you have to buy a ticket, 50 rupees each, which is less than 50 pence. That's what, 50 cents, 50 cents, whatever. Okay, that's it. So what is up people, we are in Shree Antu. We're just waiting for sun to rise in about a couple of minutes, and yeah, I'll show you the view. It's breathtaking. Check this out. मजा आयो? That's sunrise. It's amazing. It's really amazing. I tried to get up time lapse, but I don't know how it came because it's too packed of people. There's like too much people in there. It's like 6 a.m. The sun has this. Look, the sun is so beautiful. It's one of the best view and one of the best, breathtaking moment of my life. It's amazing. I'll show you. Early in the morning, aloo chop after sunrise. Another? Mittu?
Mittu.
So okay people, right now we are in our cottage. So we just had a quick hike to Antu and it was a very amazing breathtaking view of sunrise. Now enjoy this daytime, morning time drone shot of Antu, this whole Antu place. Alright people, so that was our vlog, and all of this stay, it was $33. So our bill went up to like 4,300 something, and the total bill was like $32. So yeah, for $32, all of this, one night on cabin, food, like good food and everything. So you know, this place is amazing, very affordable. And if you are visiting Nepal for like, you know, to visit just for like backpacking as well, you can come to Shree Antu. It's an eastern part of Nepal. We have a good view of tea garden as well. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. FLOYDELIC signing out. Jai Sambu.